Oh, really? That's what you guys want? You want those too?
Yeah.
You don't want to pay for those? Oh, you do? Okay, I'll take them out of the book. Okay, wait. I got to get to that button part like I was doing last time. What did I do here? Go up here. Wow, look what we got here. Denver lawsuit. Brenda Sugarbaker.
What is the cost of filing that?
$150.
That's in federal court, right?
Yep. Oh, actually, it started in Denver District Court, which, let's see, how do I go back up? I gotta go the other way.
And then it went
It started in Denver District Court. Guess what they did?
They moved it to federal.
What were they in the suit?
They didn't defend it yet.
Okay, they're the defendant in the suit, so what did they do? They removed it to federal court. Why would a credit bureau remove a case to federal court?
because they don't have jurisdiction.
To intimidate you.
No, to hide the case.
Hide the case.
Whoops.
Why did the federal courts won't publish it?
No. If you put it in the bastion of the federal court system, it disappears into the federal archives.
Oh.
If you don't have the case number, you can't even look it up by the case number.
So there's nobody.
You can't look it up by the name of the defendants. You have to look it up by box number, reference number, which the box is referenced to, and the aisle number. If you don't have those, you can't find it in the archives. And the 10th Circuit, the 10th District Court of the Federal 10th Circuit Court archives changed the way they do their archives, so you can't do that anymore. You can't look it up by the case or case number. The only thing you can look up by the case number and find it by name of party or name of case number is bankruptcy filings. And the only reason why they did that was because of the fact that the credit bureaus would send the spotters in to go pull the reports to go look up the bankruptcy, so they had to make it easy for them to pull up the bankruptcy so they could report them to the bureaus and verify them. No, I'm not answering any questions.
So when JP Court that charges $50, you can file in that for $50, they would remove it to federal court.
Correct. Yeah.
You just start out in federal court.
Well, no, you want them to pay for the money.
Yeah, 'cause if they remove it, they gotta pay the filing fee.
It costs them $670. Why do you want to pay it? You want them to pay it. Do you have money in pocket? You got pocket you want to just hand to the court? I don't want to hand money to the court.
I'd rather buy CDs from you.
All right, cool. I like that. Now this one's really cool. I like this. You see, the thing that ticked him off is in the state court, it only had the state code for the state. It had 12.14.3.120. When it went to federal, oh darn, maybe we should amend it and put in the Fair Credit Reporting Act and what part of the Fair Credit Reporting Act they violated. Because you're allowed to amend it. They removed it. Oh, I must have to amend it. At that time I didn't know that, I just did it. But then they got really pissed off because when I amended it, they couldn't take it back down to the state court. It was stuck in federal, more money. At that time, the only case that I could find that was ever settled was $750,000 for the reporting of a bankruptcy on a credit report.
How long is
So Brenda got, I think, $79,000, somewhere between $179,000 and $79,000. They sealed her mouth shut with duct tape. She couldn't tell me. But that's what they were going to ask. And when they got my affidavit of what I was going to testify on, they settled the next day.
How long did it? Sorry.
How long did it take? It took exactly 90 days.
So you should just file this letter exactly the way it is there.
Yep. Well, this one, no, you'd have to take out the Colorado revised statutes
Texas, yeah.
and put Texas revised statutes. But now I got to go back up to the other one because that's one. And then, anybody here own a business themselves? Okay, you guys have people you're trying to collect debts from?